All right, this is Lego Series 1. This is number 107. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. All right, we got Nick R down to Andrew B. Good luck, 18 flip. Names and brands, 7 times each. All right, Kyle D to Nick. And let's do Lego set brands next. Lego Architecture 2, Lego Wednesday, Lego Wicked. Lego Marvel, Lego Star Wars, look out. All right, guys, and let's random here for our envelope number 4579. All right, number 4. Number 4. All right, so let's see. Number 4. Okay. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Been seeing some crazy stuff come out of these. I think it was Matt ST to hit the chaser in this case, which was awesome, by the way. And good luck. Here it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. This would be a good one. This is a good one to hit right now because that movie's pretty hot. So yeah, I think it just came out on digital. I think if my memory's, I could be wrong about that, but yeah, that's a Welcome to Emerald City 75684 Wicked right there. I was just talking about this guy too. Wow, Matt. All right, I think Matt hit the Hocus Pocus chaser. So there you go, Matt. Matt ST. That is coming out to you. Nice one. And I'm telling you, when they retire these, man, they're money. I've seen some crazy stuff. We got a few up here too. So yep, Matt ST, nice one, man. Let's do another one, guys. That's 107 Lego. Thanks for joining.